Dr. Jane H. Davidson, Professor of Mechanical Engineering and the Ronald L. and Janet A. Christensen Chair of Renewable Energy at the University of Minnesota in Minneapolis, is receiving the Frank Kreith Energy Award. Her work includes significant research on solar systems for residential buildings and solar thermochemical cycles in the production of fuels. Professor Davidson is also being honored for contributions as an exemplary educator in renewable energy and for shaping solar energy research and policies at the national and international levels.
There's more solar energy that lands on the Earth in 1 hour than all the energy that we consume in an entire year. So the resource is immense. The key is to make it efficient and cost-effective.
Jane Davidson's search for cost-effective solar energy has led her to the cutting edge of the field, creating solar heat that can be stored for long periods of time by using simple chemical bonds.
And we're found that we're able to store it for 100 to 200 days. So very effective long-term storage and incredibly inexpensive.
In addition, Professor Davidson and her students are prototyping ways to create synthetic fuels using simply sunlight, brackish water, and what she calls recycled CO2.
So the idea is take those gases and make liquid fuels that could be put in your car, put in a truck, put in an airplane. And basically you have what I call sun gas driving the transportation infrastructure.
Last year, Dr. Davidson and her colleagues began using an indoor concentrating solar simulator, the first in the United States.
The concentrating solar simulator allows us to test reactor prototypes, to look at materials that are operating at very high temperature without relying on daylight.
The simulator uses 6,000-watt bulbs and specially designed reflectors to produce temperatures high enough to melt steel. It was in the laboratory during her student days that she first discovered her passion for research.
I fell in love with research, and I fell in love with what engineers can do to make the world a better place.
She shares that love with her students, and she believes that her most important work lies in her interactions with them.
So it had really high, really fast peak.
Right. So I've often said that, sure, I've made contributions in solar thermal, but I do believe that my greatest contribution is my students.
I came here, I think, and I thought I knew what I was doing, and she quickly showed me that I didn't know quite as much as I thought, and then helped me push myself to the next level. And I would attribute my success here in this department to her mentorship.
Her students are grateful to have her, and she knows she is just where she belongs.
It's the most amazing place to work because everybody stays young, so it's great to see young minds develop, and it's wonderful to work with them. So it's an amazing job because you just keep learning.